Hey everyone, my name is Augusto. I'm 44 years old. I work as a paramedic in British Columbia in Canada. I have an amazing family. I'm just about to fall here. I have an amazing family. I love sailing. I love the outdoors. I love learning. But lately I've been asking myself, what comes next? My job as a paramedic can be very intense, it's very rewarding. I love helping people, I care a lot about people, but long term, this is not a sustainable option. There's a lot of mental and physical issues that go with the job, and I'm looking for that next step. This is not about quitting tomorrow. It's just about creating new options and opening new doors. So over the last few months, I come to realize that even though I really like my job and I really enjoy working as a paramedic, and like I said, helping people, I've also known for a long time that I need a plan B. I need an exit plan because anything can happen. So for the last few months, I've been pondering over the idea of what an exit plan looks like. Now, I I know myself enough to know that I'm not good at selling things to people. I've tried that before. I've had side hustles. I've started businesses before to realize that I just don't like convincing people that my product is what they need. So one of the things that keeps coming back to my mind is the idea of stock trading. So I decided to start this channel to show you my journey. So over the last year, I've been reading a lot of books about stock trading. I've been reading from the big names like Alexander Elder, about Brian Pessim, I think that's how you say his name, Omar Basal. No matter what, doesn't matter. But what I mean is I've been reading a lot about swing trading. I've been trying to understand charts. I've been trying to understand the processes, build a system, and create a process that works. And all of that made me realize that I know absolutely nothing about trading stocks, about swing trading, about any of all that. So that's exactly why I want to start this channel. I want you to be with me from the beginning to building something together, or maybe failing, or we may succeed. I want to start this account with $500 to $1,000 to invest. But before we do any of that, we have to fix up this room. This is the room that we're going to use as an office. Up till now, it was just full of junk. All of this junk that you see here was all in the one room. And we're going to turn this room into trading room. Now, cut to the picture, the rendering of what we're going to build. But this is the blank canvas. I just emptied it yesterday. Come with me on this journey and we're going to work together. I'm trying to build this room on the cheap, under 500 bucks, with things that I already have or minimal stuff that I will buy on Facebook Marketplace, like this desk. Cut to the desk. And we're gonna make it look awesome. And from here, we're gonna work together on building a successful trading business. We're gonna build this as a business. This is not a hobby. This is eventually gonna be our exit strategy to get out of this very stressful job that we have and become free while doing something that we enjoy. This channel is not about me telling you what I know, because I don't know anything. This channel is about me taking you along. Now, maybe I will succeed or maybe I won't, but no matter what, either way, I like you to be with me for the whole process. Okay, welcome to my disorganized mess. This is a garage, a gym, a shop. Let's make a few cuts in here, and we're getting ready for the montage, because we're working on the shelving unit that is in the trading office. And then we're gonna call it the headquarters, not the trading office. It's gonna be the HQ for a second shift. I have the memory of a fish. I'm not very good at any one thing, but I can do okay with a lot of different things. Oops. Something else I wanted to show you, I have dozens and dozens of different sized LED lights. These are all LED bars, just like that one. The idea is that we're gonna put a bunch of LEDs right there, a few up here. It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be so good. Anyways, right now, without further ado, let's paint. It's just gonna be a little bit of a facelift. Bring this forward. Let's get to it. Work in progress. Okay, so I've done a couple coats of paint on this bookshelf. So we're gonna organize the room a little bit, clean up, empty all this garbage, and start setting it up. Shelving, desk, lights, screens that we don't have yet. But slowly but surely, Okay, let's YouTube a little bit and let's do cold transitions. Chair out. And now this bookshelf has to be sent back. So, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. So now we need the desk right here. So nothing? Nothing? Okay. Let's try that one more time. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We have the shelving unit painted. I want to put a whole bunch of plants, tons of plants right here. Plants and some lights underneath, LED lights. I have a lot of them. I'm going to put them over here. And then back here, the desk. On the desk, the laptop is going to go here. And I'm going to have a double arm with 2 computer screens. And there's going to be that TV hanging up in the wall up here where I'm going to play videos or the news or whatever I want. I've been thinking about painting this wall on a beige color, but I'm still thinking about it. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do about this hole back here. I'm not sure yet. And I want to keep it quite minimalistic, so or minimal, anyways. So once the TV is up here, I'll build a couple shelves right here just to hold a few books and plants. I guess I could put some books up here too. Not too many. Again, I want minimize clutter in here. And at the bottom of the shelving unit down here, I'm gonna have a few filing cabinets or filing boxes for documents and stuff. Maybe another plant down there. And that's it. On this corner, I have a TV, but I'll probably get rid of this little TV and put an armchair in here. And then I will also buy a carpet in here for the office chair. I don't want the office chair on the tile because it might break it. So just a little carpet with the office chair, and that's about it. Well, as you can see, it's not much for now, and it's still a work in progress, but good things are to come. I'll see you in the next shift.